Traveling on a budget doesn't mean you have to compromise on quality or comfort. In fact, having the right gear can make a huge difference in your travel experience. Whether it's organizing your toiletries, managing your luggage weight, or staying dry in unpredictable weather, the right gear can solve all your travel problems. Today, we'll be reviewing 7 essential budget travel items that will make your trips easier and more enjoyable without breaking the bank. Number 1. BAGSMART Large Toiletry Bag is a game changer. This spacious bag is designed with multiple compartments to help keep everything in place, from your toothbrush to your shampoo bottles. The main compartment is roomy enough to hold larger items, while the smaller pockets are perfect for things like makeup, razor blades, and other personal care essentials. The bag's thoughtful design ensures that everything stays neat and accessible, no matter how chaotic the airport or hotel bathroom might be. What really sets this toiletry bag apart is its hanging hook. Once you've unpacked, simply hang the bag on a hook in the bathroom, and all your toiletries are within easy reach. It's a feature you never knew you needed, but once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without it. The bag is made from high-quality, water-resistant material, ensuring that your products are protected from spills and moisture. The BAGSMART toiletry bag is not only practical but also durable. Its sturdy zippers and reliable stitching mean it can withstand the rigors of frequent travel. Whether you're heading to a weekend getaway or a longer international trip, this bag will keep your toiletries organized and protected.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Travel Inspira Portable Digital Luggage Scale can help you avoid those annoying and costly surprises by allowing you to weigh your luggage before you even leave for the airport. This compact, lightweight scale is designed for easy use with its simple one-button operation. It's small enough to fit in your carry-on, so you can take it on all your trips and never worry about overweight bags again. This digital scale features a large, easy-to-read display that shows your luggage weight in both pounds and kilograms, allowing you to quickly see if you're under the weight limit. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold, even with heavy luggage, and the strap secures your bag, so you can easily lift it and get an accurate reading. The scale also includes a built-in tare function, which allows you to weigh your bag without including the weight of the scale itself, making the process even more convenient. Durability is another key feature of the Travel Inspira luggage scale. Built with a strong, high-quality plastic frame, it's designed to handle even the heaviest luggage. The scale's precise measurements ensure that you can accurately gauge your bag's weight, making it easier to avoid the hassle and expense of excess baggage fees. Number 3. BeautifyBeauties Continuous Mister Spray Bottle is a must-have. This portable spray bottle delivers a fine mist that provides instant relief from the heat, whether you're sightseeing in the summer or just need a refreshing spritz on a long flight. Its continuous spray function is perfect for keeping your face or body cool without needing to pump or press repeatedly. Just press the trigger and let the mist do its magic. The design of this spray bottle is both practical and stylish. It's made from lightweight, durable plastic that won't add unnecessary weight to your bag, and the slim shape ensures it fits easily in a side pocket or handbag. The bottle is also leak-proof, so you don't have to worry about it spilling or leaking while traveling. The mist is fine and gentle, providing a refreshing experience without drenching your skin, making it ideal for everyday use. This spray bottle is not just for travel, it's also perfect for home use, whether you need to hydrate your skin, refresh your hair, or even water your plants. The long-lasting spray function ensures that the bottle can be used for extended periods without needing a refill, whether you're exploring a hot city or just trying to survive the air conditioning on a plane. The BeautifyBeauties Continuous Mister Spray Bottle is an essential tool to help you stay comfortable and refreshed. Number 4. TESSAN 18-pack TSA-approved travel bottles for toiletries makes it easier than ever to bring all your favorite products without the stress. These bottles are designed to be fully compliant with TSA guidelines, which means they're small enough to carry in your carry-on without risking confiscation. Each bottle holds up to 3.4 ounces, making them perfect for travel-sized shampoos, conditioners, lotions, and more. The set includes 18 bottles, offering plenty of variety to suit your packing needs. You'll find bottles with different shapes and caps, including spray, pump, and flip-top styles, so you can choose the best one for each product. These bottles are made from durable, BPA-free plastic that is both safe for use with your toiletries and tough enough to withstand the rigors of travel. Plus, the bottles are reusable, so you can keep using them on future trips. What's more, the 18-pack comes with a convenient clear zippered bag, making it easy to store your bottles and pass through security without any hassle. The bottles are leak-proof and designed to prevent spills, so you can rest easy knowing your liquids will stay secure throughout your journey. Number 5. TESSAN European Travel Plug Adapter USB-C takes the hassle out of charging your devices in Europe and other regions with different plug configurations. This compact, all-in-one adapter features 3 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices at once. The USB-C port ensures that you can charge newer devices that require faster charging speeds, making it a versatile solution for modern travelers. Designed with both functionality and safety in mind, the TESSAN adapter is built with built-in surge protection and grounding to ensure your devices remain safe while charging. It works in over 150 countries, making it an essential tool for any international traveler. The adapter is also compact and lightweight, so it won't take up much space in your bag, and it fits easily into your suitcase or carry-on. Whether you're charging your smartphone, laptop, or camera, you can trust that this adapter will keep your devices powered up without any issues. It's a must-have for anyone planning to travel internationally, and it offers excellent value for its price. Number 6. TUMELLA Windproof Travel Umbrella is designed to keep you dry, no matter what the weather throws your way. This umbrella is built to withstand high winds, thanks to its reinforced frame and flexible ribs. It's compact enough to fit in your bag, but still large enough to keep you and a companion dry in heavy rain. The automatic open and close function makes it easy to use, especially when you're juggling other travel gear. Durability is key when it comes to a travel umbrella, and the TUMELLA umbrella delivers on that front. Its wind-resistant design means that it won't flip inside out in gusty conditions, ensuring that you stay protected even in stormy weather. The water-repellent coating ensures that the umbrella dries quickly after use, preventing it from staying damp in your bag. The TUMELLA umbrella is also built for convenience. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it an excellent addition to any travel kit. Whether you're sightseeing or caught in an unexpected downpour, this umbrella will keep you dry and comfortable. Its affordable price point makes it a fantastic choice for budget-conscious travelers looking for reliability and functionality. And finally, number 7. Sure, low-C TSA-compatible travel luggage locks offer peace of mind for any trip. These locks are designed to fit most luggage zippers and provide an extra layer of protection for your bags. The TSA compatibility means that airport security can unlock the lock without damaging it, making it easier for you to go through customs without worrying about the lock being cut off. The combination lock mechanism is simple to use, and the 3-digit code is customizable for added security. Made from high-quality zinc alloy, these locks are durable and resistant to tampering. They provide a reliable and cost-effective way to secure your belongings while traveling. The small yet sturdy design makes them easy to store and use, and they can be attached to almost any type of luggage. Whether you're traveling domestically or internationally, these locks will help ensure your belongings stay safe and secure. Sure Locks TSA-compatible travel luggage locks are available in a variety of colors, making it easy to differentiate your luggage from others at baggage claim. With the right budget travel gear, your trips can be more enjoyable and hassle-free. Whether you're organizing your toiletries, avoiding luggage fees, or staying dry in unpredictable weather, these 7 products will make a world of difference. They're affordable, durable, and incredibly useful for any traveler. Happy travels!